For decades, you have been told the same simple message about exercise. Walk more, stay active, and everything will be fine. Doctors repeat it, fitness ads repeat it, even your family repeats it with good intentions. But here is the truth no one explains clearly. After the age of 60, walking alone is not enough to keep your body strong or independent. In fact, many seniors who walk every single day still struggle to stand up from a chair, climb stairs, or maintain balance. That is because movement without resistance does not protect your muscles. Today, I am going to reveal 5 simple chair-based exercises that doctors and rehabilitation specialists quietly recommend because they work where walking fails. These exercises are safe, practical, and designed for real life. And before we dive in, let me know in the comments, how old are you and where are you watching from? We read and reply to every comment. Why walking alone fails. After 60, as the body ages, it becomes more selective about which muscles it keeps. If a muscle is not challenged, the body slowly reduces its size and strength to conserve energy. This process happens quietly, often without pain, which is why many people do not notice it until daily tasks become difficult. Walking is repetitive and low resistance, especially on flat surfaces. Your body adapts quickly and stops receiving any signal to grow stronger. Critical muscles responsible for standing, balance, and joint protection barely work during walking. That is why someone can walk daily and still feel weak, unsteady, or tired. Orthopedic and rehabilitation experts agree that strength, not step count, is the foundation of independence. Without resistance-based movements, muscle loss continues even in active adults. This is why seated strength exercises are so powerful. They directly target the muscles that determine whether you live independently or depend on help. Exercise number 5. Seated ankle presses. Seated ankle presses focus on one of the most overlooked areas of the body, the ankles. These small joints play a massive role in balance, stability, and fall prevention. Every time you shift weight, turn, or recover from a stumble, your ankles react first. When ankle muscles weaken, the risk of falling increases significantly. To perform this exercise, sit upright with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly press the front of your foot downward while keeping your heel on the ground. Then reverse the movement by lifting the front of the foot. This controlled motion strengthens the muscles that send balance signals to your brain. Practicing ankle presses daily improves foot control, circulation, and confidence while standing or walking. Although the movement seems simple, it retrains the body's foundation. Strong ankles make every other movement safer and more controlled. Exercise number 4. Seated thigh. Holds. The inner thigh muscles are essential for stabilizing your hips and pelvis, yet they are rarely trained. When these muscles weaken, standing up becomes shaky and sitting down feels uncontrolled. Seated thigh holds activate these muscles safely without stressing the knees or hips. Sit comfortably in a chair and place a towel or cushion between your knees. Gently squeeze inward and hold the contraction for several seconds before slowly releasing. This exercise improves leg coordination and pelvic stability, which directly affects balance. Over time, stronger inner thighs make movements like getting out of a chair or stepping sideways much safer. Rehabilitation specialists frequently use this exercise because it strengthens critical muscles while remaining gentle on joints. Consistent practice helps restore control and confidence in everyday movements. Exercise number 3. Seated core. Bracing. Core muscles are the body's internal support system. They stabilize the spine, protect the lower back, and help maintain balance. As we age, these muscles often weaken because they are no longer challenged. Seated core bracing reactivates deep muscles that many people do not even realize they have. Sit near the edge of your chair, place a hand on your abdomen, and gently tighten your stomach muscles as if preparing for a cough while continuing to breathe normally. This subtle movement strengthens the core without strain or discomfort. Regular practice improves posture, reduces back pain, and enhances overall stability. A strong core allows your arms and legs to move more efficiently and safely. Though quiet and controlled, this exercise has a powerful impact on daily comfort and confidence. Exercise number 2, seated pullbacks. Rounded shoulders and a hunched upper back are often blamed on aging, but they are actually caused by weak back muscles. Seated pullbacks directly address this problem. Using a resistance band or towel, sit upright with your arms extended forward. Slowly pull your hands back while squeezing your shoulder blades together, then return with control. This exercise strengthens the upper back, improves posture, and reduces neck and shoulder tension. Strong back muscles help keep your spine aligned and allow you to stand taller with less effort. Better posture also improves breathing and balance. This movement is especially important for seniors who spend long periods sitting. Practicing seated pullbacks regularly can dramatically improve how you look, feel, and move. Exercise number 1, controlled chair. Stands. Controlled chair stands are widely considered the most important exercise for maintaining independence as you age. This single movement trains nearly every major muscle group that keeps you mobile, including your thighs, hips, glutes, core, and stabilizing muscles that control balance. To perform it correctly, begin seated in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor and slightly wider than hip width apart. Lean forward just enough to shift your weight over your feet, then stand up slowly using muscle control rather than momentum. At the top, pause briefly, then lower yourself back down just as slowly, resisting gravity the entire way. This controlled lowering phase is especially important because it builds strength efficiently and protects your joints. Chair stands closely mimic one of the most common movements of daily life, getting up from a chair, bed, or car, making the strength you build immediately useful. Regular practice improves confidence, reduces fall risk, supports joint health, and is strongly linked to long-term mobility and independence. Walking still plays an important role in overall health, particularly for supporting heart and circulation function, but it should never be the only form of movement you rely on. As we age, muscle strength becomes the foundation of balance, stability, and independence. Without resistance-based exercises, muscles gradually weaken, even in people who stay active. Chair-based exercises offer a safe, effective, and accessible way to rebuild strength at home without special equipment or gym memberships. The key is consistency, not intensity. Start with one exercise, master it, and then slowly add others over time. Small, regular efforts create powerful long-term results. If this video helped you, please like it so more people can benefit. Share it with a friend or family member who may need it, and leave a comment below telling us which exercise you plan to start with. We read every comment. Thanks for watching and stay strong.